How to fix Facebook account restricted from advertising. So if you want to fix the Facebook account restricted from advertising, then first open up your Facebook and then go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and scroll down, go with help and support and tap on report a problem, and then tap on continue to report a problem, and it will start creating the report, and tap on don't include, and here you just need to simply search for ads. So if you got the ads, then you can simply tap on ads, or you can simply go with profile. So once you're here, you just need to simply describe an issue. So simply ensure I'm having issues and I'm not being able to advertise on Facebook. This account is restricted from advertising. I need this to be fixed. And once you've written that, you can upload some screenshots from your phone or your gallery, and you can go with the upper right, which has that arrow, and you can send that to Facebook. Once you've sent, you will receive some emails on how you can fix that problem from Facebook support. So that's how you can fix your Facebook account restricted from advertising problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.